Hi, I'm Julia, a technical service representative at XLERATOR. XLERATOR manufactures hand dryers in East Longmeadow, Massachusetts. We are proud to say we make the only hand dryer that is made in the USA certified. We have created a series of videos to help you maintain your XL hand dryer. This video will instruct you how to replace a motor on an XLERATOR hand dryer. Disconnect the power supply and remove the cover using your tamper-proof wrench. Confirm there is no voltage at the terminal block. Remove the snap-in prefilter via a light tug downward on the thumb tab. Remove the top right housing retainer via 2 screws. Be sure to save the screws somewhere safe for when you need to replace them. Remove the 3 air inlet cover screws. Disconnect the green wire from the tab on the control bracket. Since the air inlet cover is now loose, disconnect the accessible optic sensor wire by pressing the tab on the plastic connector while lightly pulling out. Move the air inlet cover and attached control out of the way by draping it over the top of the hand dryer. Remove the 4 screws and take the metal motor bracket off. Again, place the 4 screws somewhere safe as they will be replaced shortly. Gently pull the motor out of the dryer housing as wires are connected to the back of the motor. Carefully note and disconnect the positions of the black and white wires from the motor. Reuse the old motor gaskets, making sure one gasket is seated properly over the back of the new motor, and then reconnect the black and white wires. Install the new motor. Continue pushing the motor and its inner and outer gaskets inside, making sure not to pinch the wires in between the motor gasket and blower housing. Reinstall the motor bracket and 4 screws. Do not over-tighten the screws. Bring the air inlet cover and control into position. Plug the optic sensor wire back into the control. Reattach the green ground wire to the tab on the control bracket. Reinstall the air inlet cover and 3 screws. Again, do not over-tighten the screws. Reinstall the top right housing retainer via 2 screws. Note the 2 bumps on the retainer. They should be pointing away or towards the outside of the dryer. Reinstall prefilter. Reinstall the cover and 2 screws. Restore the power and check for proper operation. Thank you for your interest, and if this video still leaves you with questions, please call our customer service department at XLERATOR at 800-255-9235.